Subscribe for daily quizzes and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some currency exchange trivia. What currency is used in Japan? Is it A, South Korean won, B, Thai baht, C, Japanese yen, or D, Chinese yuan? The correct answer is C, Japanese yen. What is the primary currency of India? Is it A, euro, B, Indian rupee, C, yen, or D, dollar? The correct answer is B, Indian rupee. What is the currency of the United Kingdom? Is it A, euro, B, yen, C, British pound, or D, dollar? The correct answer is C, British pound. Which currency is used in the Eurozone? Is it A, Swiss franc, B, euro, C, yen, or D, pound sterling? The correct answer is B, euro. What currency is used in Russia? Is it A, Russian ruble, B, dollar, C, yen, or D, euro? The correct answer is A, Russian ruble. What is the official currency of Canada? Is it A, Canadian pound, B, Canadian dollar, C, Canadian franc, or D, Canadian yen? The correct answer is B, Canadian dollar. What is the currency used in Australia? Is it A, Kiwi dollar, B, yen, C, euro, or D, Australian dollar? The correct answer is D, Australian dollar. What domestic currency is used in Mexico? Is it A, Mexican peso, B, euro, C, US dollar, or D, Canadian dollar? The correct answer is A, Mexican peso. What is the currency used in Switzerland? Is it A, euro, B, dollar, C, pound, or D, Swiss franc? The correct answer is D, Swiss franc. What is the unit of currency in South Africa? Is it A, Pretoria peso, B, Cape Town dollar, C, South African rand, or D, Johannesburg pound? The correct answer is C, South African rand. What currency does South Korea use? Is it A, euro, B, yen, C, dollar, or D, South Korean won? The correct answer is D, South Korean won. What is the currency of Brazil? Is it A, Brazilian peso centavo, B, Brazilian real, C, Brazilian peso, or D, Brazilian dollar? The correct answer is B, Brazilian real. What currency is used in Turkey? Is it A, euro, B, pound sterling, C, Turkish lira, or D, yen? The correct answer is C, Turkish lira. What is the currency of China? Is it A, yen, B, renminbi, C, yuan, or D, dollar? The correct answer is B, renminbi. What is the monetary unit of Singapore? Is it A, ringgit, B, baht, C, yen, or D, Singapore dollar? The correct answer is D, Singapore dollar. What currency is mainly used in Argentina? Is it A, euro, B, US dollar, C, Argentine peso, or D, Chilean peso? The correct answer is C, Argentine peso. What currency is used in New Zealand? Is it A, Australian dollar, B, US dollar, C, New Zealand dollar, or D, Kiwi pound? The correct answer is C, New Zealand dollar. What is the currency of Thailand? Is it A, Thai yen, B, Thai baht, C, Thai dollar, or D, Thai peso? The correct answer is B, Thai baht. What currency does Israel use? Is it A, US dollar, B, euro, C, yen, or D, Israeli new shekel? The correct answer is D, Israeli new shekel. What is the unit of currency in the Philippines? Is it A, yen, B, dollar, C, rupee, or D, Philippine peso? The correct answer is D, Philippine peso. What currency is used in Vietnam? Is it A, yen, B, dollar, C, Vietnamese đồng, or D, peso? The correct answer is C, Vietnamese đồng. What is the official currency of Indonesia? Is it A, Indonesian rupiah, B, Singapore rupee, C, Thai baht, or D, Indonesian dollar? The correct answer is A, Indonesian rupiah. What currency is utilized in Malaysia? Is it A, yen, B, euro, C, US dollar, or D, Malaysian ringgit? The correct answer is D, Malaysian ringgit. What currency do the Bahamas use? Is it A, Jamaican dollar, B, US dollar, C, Bahamian dollar, or D, euro? The correct answer is C, Bahamian dollar. What currency is used in Egypt? Is it A, dirham, B, euro, C, Egyptian pound, or D, dollar? The correct answer is C, Egyptian pound. What currency does the United States use? Is it A, peso, B, United States dollar, C, yen, or D, euro? The correct answer is B, United States dollar. What is the currency of Ukraine? Is it A, Ukrainian hryvnia, B, euro, C, ruble, or D, yen? The correct answer is A, Ukrainian hryvnia. What is the currency used in Colombia? Is it A, USD, B, euro, C, peso, Colombian peso? The correct answer is D, Colombian peso. What currency is used in Chile? Is it A, Argentine peso, B, Brazilian real, C, Chilean peso, or D, US dollar? The correct answer is C, Chilean peso. What is the currency of Pakistan? Is it A, euro, B, US dollar, C, Indian rupee, or D, Pakistani rupee? The correct answer is D, Pakistani rupee. What monetary unit is used in Jamaica? Is it A, US dollar, B, Jamaican dollar, C, euro, or D, Canadian dollar? The correct answer is B, Jamaican dollar. What is the currency of Nigeria? Is it A, Nigerian naira, B, franc, C, cedi, or D, peso? The correct answer is A, Nigerian naira. What is the currency of Qatar? Is it A, Qatari rial, B, Kuwaiti dinar, C, Saudi rial, or D, Bahraini dinar? The correct answer is A, Qatari rial. What is the currency of Iceland? Is it A, Icelandic krona, B, euro, C, Norwegian krone, or D, Danish krone? The correct answer is A, Icelandic krona. What currency is used in Saudi Arabia? Is it A, British pound, B, euro, C, US dollar, or D, Saudi rial? The correct answer is D, Saudi rial. What is the currency used in the Czech Republic? Is it A, Czech koruna, B, Hungarian forint, C, euro, or D, Polish zloty? The correct answer is A, Czech koruna. What currency is utilized in Hungary? Is it A, krona, B, Hungarian forint, C, euro, or D, dollar? The correct answer is B, Hungarian forint. What is the currency of Kenya? Is it A, Kenyan shilling, B, East African franc, C, Kenyan dollar, or D, African pound? The correct answer is A, Kenyan shilling. What currency is used in Belarus? Is it A, ruble, B, Belarusian ruble, C, dollar, or D, euro? The correct answer is B, Belarusian ruble. What currency does Morocco use? Is it A, Moroccan dirham, B, pound, C, euro, or D, dollar? The correct answer is A, Moroccan dirham. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.